I have a story to tell, guys. You know, why we are exactly here. What is the name of this place?
Some Kirby's.
Yeah, because one of our friends, anga-anga. wala, wala kadala lang siya. Di kundi, yung palakat ako to, tapos yung sugat, tapos mga friends. And then, ang ending, nagmuni-kini. Tapos we still have duty later, and then we're so stressed because we are on a vacation, you know. So right now, may nalang gatas kasang may umbrella. This is what you call blueberry fruits. Titsi lang kami subong sa una kapi-kapi, 37 pesos. So, patitsi lang kami. See? Tea, guys.